what do you got?
What I got here are postcards that they'd send to the dealers, and the dealers put a stamp on them and send them to their previous customers and saying, look at how beautiful the new 56 Oldsmobile. You got to get rid of that tired, boring, out-of-date 55 Oldsmobile and get the new Starfire styling, the new T350 V8, and the new Jetaway Hydromatic.
Where'd you get those?
55.
That's incredible.
I can't remember that.
Still occasionally find them like on eBay.
Really?
I think eBay.
I get a lot of my stuff on eBay, and the postcards are inexpensive.
Yeah.
I just need to find a way to get this.
The photo book's not.
Yep.
So you got to do a wall
Yeah.
collage.
We're running out of wall space.
Add one that juts out in the middle of the living room for no reason, like a museum.
So are the little ones aren't something that was going to be mailed, are they?
I don't think so.
Yeah,
I
what do they
think
do with the
were-
little ones?
I
Or more
think
like
he
handing out
probably
as a
just,
business card, maybe.
as someone who, came into the dealership, you might give a little picture to take home to the wife.
Ah, okay.
Oh, look at that.
I knew I had these in an album. I have 29 albums at home, and this was album 29 that I
Of
looked
course. You're looking for these, and then the
Thank
last
God you
one.
don't have kids.
Look at that.
Yeah.
All right, what's next on the Paul?
Well, here
Oh my.
is the options that are on my car, how much they cost,
Oh,
what the estimated MSRP would be, and if you calculate for inflation today.
Wow.
Give me a Cheeto,
Yeah, check that out. Interesting.
what you did for a Klondike.
Owner's manual.
Are you talking about doing stuff for Klondike bars, Andre?
Just not dikes.
Oh, now I got it.
No, you don't.
Nasty.
No, it was way worse than that. I just put dike in there because it's offensive.
Here's a
I'm not
Motor
sure.
Trend magazine
And it was
extolling all the new
almost
cars, drive descriptions of 8 new cars.
the plastic had all
Chevrolet, Pontiac, Studebaker, and Oldsmobile.
Oldsmobile.
this car was
That's cool. 25 cents. My God.
Shop manual.
Here's a shop manual, how to do all your repairs. And the nice thing about this, it's an original one, like on, usually they're like copies.
And they're blurry.
Well, it's not that they're blurry, but they're all black and white. And if you go through the electrical section, it's all color coded here, which it's not.
Wow.
Let's see. Let me see how oh, wait, then we gotta go to the back a little far.
Electrical 13. Those are neat. Here, go take a look. Peter's here. A little bit.
How you doing?
You're,
When was the last time you
There we
flew?
go, there's the electrical diagram. And a black and white manual, that's
in color.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
That's incredible.
That is cool. They don't even do that in children's manuals.
Now, that's neat.
Well, see, the difference between today's society and back in the day was back in the day, you got instructions
See, if you
on how
look
to
at-
adjust your
here's,
belts. Today, you get instructions on don't drink the battery acid.
You're not supposed to drink that?
No, you're not.
see, it's compared to a copy.
I heard it was better
Oh
with
yeah, the copy's black and white. That's not.
That's not gonna be very easy to
The copy's black and white. The OEM one's an actual legit color.
Yeah, that looks good.
Look at this. Paul's got
Paul's got everything.
There we go. These are, Motor Trend Drive descriptions
This
from
is,
1948 through 1963
Dark red,
models.
which is the dark red is.
Oh, there it is.
And that's what's in my stuff.
Oh, they're from their original articles?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow, okay.
That's neat. Are you shopping for this book now? You're honestly going shopping for the book.
That's the silver.
Look at you, spending money.
And then here's a drive comparison between 55 and 56. So you can see
Age too
how
well.
things have changed.
It's probably okay if it
That's
wasn't.
way cool.
You know, but,
You're old, Tom.
I am old.
78.
Be real old in a few months.
You look like Santa Bear.
That's right.
Exterior colors.
I don't want to know where you put the Santa hat. Got some ideas though.
So mine is a Cartier, and it's this.
Ooh, JJ, I want to look at those next
Hey, we will.
because we like materials.
Did you see Prescott?
Oh, look at this. Look at this. We got Cadillac. We got Olds.
Diamond Jubilee.
We got some.
It's Jubilee Gold.
Oh, the new one in the group. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's
You know what's
a
ridiculous?
brochure about power steering.
The red.
Wow.
Inside.
Safety power steering.
And it's
Wasn't a
Oldsmobile,
safer
like the
control way to
engineering-
steer.
They cheated it up instead of putting a piece of, the leather in it. They put vinyl.
I like going back to this. It feels so nice.
Now here's,
Yes.
And that's
when you went to the
probably-
dealer, here's the prestige brochure.
Wow.
That's in my
No,
car
actually,
company.
that is
Look at that. Oh, wow.
Of course, the
I've
wife's
never
going to be
Do you guys
taking the
have-
car to ride
Gotta go horse. Yes.
Yeah.
But you find a car with these on it.
Yes.
Oh,
Crap.
Mark
You're never gonna recognize
Look at that. Not yet.
Of course, you fly if you own an Oldsmobile.
Oh, yeah. Municipal
There's
airport.
the wife picking
This
it
is
up.
my
This is
vinyl roof.
Oh.
That's the vinyl roof. Here's the colors. This
your
is
convertible plate
like
finish.
champagne. That's what the
Wow.
And then the
Yeah.
leather.
Subtle.
Look at
They
that.
they've got.
Of course,
Look at
Here, this is
that.
the leather. That's in.
Great.
Now that's cool.
There's a hey.
go talk to Gordon.
There's the pink, like that was you just saw here.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
kind of the pink that was in there.
Very similar.
Yeah.
I think this is mine.
Oh, well, I don't think it is.
I saw you set that.
Like, you can have any color you want. in
Now,
there.
see, this picture
no,
here
this is-
is actually
this is
the
the,
inside of that vehicle, because those are all pre-production models.
Only color.
And that's the only thing they put in there. And this is
But I
leather.
explain the weird striping
These
there,
are
or is that
vinyl.
just how those work?
And mine are like
What
Why
way?
is that going like blue, tan, white?
I think that's just shadows.
That's wild.
I can't find this
Really
piece.
Yeah,
I need this piece right
here.
here.
Comparing vinyl.
And this is my model here.
No,
the
it's a little
58.
on the door.
But
Mine is missing a huge section right here.
Wow.
5, yeah.
Yeah, and every one of them I've ever
They
seen.
usually get wrecked.
The plastic is cracked right there.
Accessory.
Here's another interior shot of that same
From
car.
that
how
car.
many years, I guess.
Shot back
That
then.
clock is cool.
It is.
And if you
Clock
look
is
at
cool.
this and this, it's that vehicle there.
Look at that light blue.
Looks great.
And that's
I can see the blue.
That's this one?
A little bit animalish.
the little wife
Yeah.
in her meat
And the other
coat
one,
standing by.
this
Oh
one.
yes.
Like you want a safari.
The sporty Oldsmobile.
78.
78.
All right.
Oh, so my color should be in there. Because this is my, is this?
That's pretty awesome, Paul.
These are
Now
vinyl
here's
roof.
the
Oh, yeah, this is the color of my room. That's mine.
Oh, we're getting to the piece de resistance.
So,
Cinnamon. Cinnamon gold.
is part of this group.
What you
He's
would say.
coming, he's waiting on a
It's
FedEx.
gold.
He's
It's
a.
what's called the dealer album.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
You have leather?
so hopefully
Yeah,
we'll get
no.
to meet him.
The dealer album.
Yeah,
That is scroll through.
World luxury.
Wow.
Jubilee is,
Kind of shows off this is for
This is your
the
top.
Super 88 holiday coupe.
This is Shamus.
Different choices in the interior.
This is the right
The
interior.
98 four-door
You have a
hardtop.
custom interior.
or it's faded.
But it's
Or actually, no, it's the Super 88 four-door hardtop. And that's picture of the interior.
88. It's not just a plain 88. It's a
Jubilee is
super.
probably Diamond Jubilee.
Look at that.
Super 88 convertible, different choices of interior.
Top text convertible top.
It will.
Super
So
88
this might have been.
four-door
You
sedan.
got 4 different blues.
It's only available on the channel call or the channel coupe.
Two-door
Yeah, which is a
sedan.
continental.
Is that what you have?
No, mine's a Mark
You
5.
got that material then.
That's the 98
Yeah, Mark 5.
four-door hardtop. You can see a little bit, supposedly more fancy.
You had that silver, right?
More in black, white, and various
Maybe I
shades of
did.
gray and silver.
98 convertible.
I used to what my Cadillac seats are.
Wow.
Metallic material.
These are close. Well, he probably has these.
This is the base model Continental.
Look at that.
Yeah.
You might have this one. You on this side. I think.
That's mine, the four-door hardtop. Notice how the interior is
Jubilee
different.
gold.
Well, it's diamond.
Different.
It's the diamond jubilee.
Custom trim option, which was an extra
Prescott.
$40,
Oh,
which this is the handout for that.
New custom. Oh, so later on they came out with more colors.
Well, I
feel the
don't
difference in
know
the
if later
material.
on, but for an extra $40, you get
This is real
carpeting,
thin.
nicer interior, vinyl headliner, a chrome, if you go here,
$40 more, huh?
non-slip.
Wow.
I want that.
So the original buyer of your car was a big spender with the extra $40.
Ironically, it was a very low option car when I got it.
Exterior colors here.
I've added a bunch of stuff since I've had it,
Ah.
but it did come with that.
Dealer option plastic seat covers.
Ooh, yeah. Look at that. That list still intrigues me.
They kept selling
Look at that.
better, but
88,
Well, and they tell you,
didn't have any upgraded Basically, they're encouraging you to get a Super 88 because I'm not really bowled over by that.
Yeah, none of that's.
this color.
Interesting.
Side by side.
yes, I have no idea. This one does not have any name or
So
anything.
that's.
I have no idea
Oh,
why.
that's this.
All right.
Are these attached?
You can barely see
So the
it.
clock
That one
matches.
doesn't
It
have.
still went
Yeah,
back.
velour?
That's what's cool.
Yeah, it's
You
velour.
got this one.
Very, very furry.
Ruby and gold.
What's the exterior
That's
color?
great. I mean, they go right.
160.
Fine, yeah.
It might be,
Maybe this.
No,
maybe this one.
But then,
What's the apricot?
My God, perfect.
then they've
Hey,
got
that looks
illustration.
that looks kind of familiar, Paul.
You may have
Gee,
seen that.
we may have seen that before.
well, here's the door.
I wonder
tag.
where.
It's orange. Nice.
Look at that.
Does it give you a full color?
Germans do things.
Color is
It's just
Incredibly safe with a single valve.
Yes.
That would make sense. 'Cause you
Single
have to
bowl
go-
master. It's fine.
you would be X would be a half vinyl or the
Double bowl master. There's another thing to go
and
wrong
you
with
would
the
be the
car.
color.
Yeah.
Factory
like
conditioning.
a cart.
Yeah, they had different sizes.
And that's your
Yeah,
interior.
you get a full vinyl top.
It's incredible.
But every car is custom.
All right. Paul showed us the goods.
You know what's
Doing
really
that
nice
now.
is the Lincoln Mark II. Because they had like 30
Wow. Look at all that factory installed.
they were hand built. And they were $10,000.
Oh, this is great.
This is their 14,000. That's the one that they just got.
Air conditioning. It cools, filters, and dehumidifies. Scotty, you need some new Oldsmobile air conditioning.
14.
Right? Dude,
They
junk.
can be now.
I mean, it still had.
I got
They
that.
had
I got that.
the Jubilee
Mark
tires.
V.
Yeah. That's
No,
what I
I
have
got that,
on
that.
I
mine.
got this book.
It's got
Right,
the
that,
Diamond Jubilee.
that.
I mean, its interior is completely friggin' different.
That.
So,
That.
like, mine was like 10
And
grand
that,
in 1978 or something.
that,
Yeah.
and that.
Oh, they're all like
$10,000.
I
love it.
probably paid
Yeah, here's this is me doing
Dealer installed Super 88. I've got that,
Someone
that.
You're not horse people.
I think so.
I remember that
Miko
riding in your car.
Because the car is more.
There he is.
There he is, servicing.
I think so.
Oh, yeah. JJ
There.
has.
Oh, you know what I did?
Because they're so well built and power assisted, they're easy to drive.
Wow.
JJ, how old is, what year is your Steve?
If you want to pay extra, you get the Rose Mist or Antique White.
This I did for Peggy.
And then you
Wow.
could use
This
these
car and the Versailles are the only two to be
I'm
done.
gonna show you the colors and options.
like there if you want an all black car.
That looks cool.
Yeah.
That's neat.
That is really neat. I like that.
I like that a lot.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, I'm glad you brought all the goods. We'll do a quickie with JJ.
We're just getting started here.
Oh, we're just getting started.
Present, doing first class.
So you have the diamond.
That is super cool.
Quick. Go,
Now also you
go
could
back to more white.
join a club
First class.
and you get a monthly
So the
magazine.
door is completely different. The door panel's completely different.
Get the magazine.
Puffy and then this is Toronto wood
I got
trim.
them on Amazon.
In the magazine.
Yeah.
Everything is so
Oh, girls, back.
Yeah.
Oh, glad to see you too. Gang's on here.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome home. We're doing
Yeah, it's only on
We got
the
some
Jubilee,
caddy,
and I didn't
we
know how to
got
open
a lot of
it. I turned
holes.
the knob. I'm like,
JJ's got some.
the knob goes one way to pop. Wow. One way to turn it.
Less than 24 hours.
This is the diamond. All right.
Now here's something really rare.
What we got?
But yeah, this
They would send this packet to the Oldsmobile dealers to the announcement of the new, here's how to announce your new 56 Oldsmobile to the dealer. Then
But I was like $22,000.
Look at that.
Diamond Jubilees, I think, were limited to like 500.
That makes sense.
Because they also did a Diamond Bar Thunderbird.
Oh, wow.
posters to go up on the wall.
An 85 GT.
Legit dealer.
And you still have that.
I have the gold. That one. That's
Paul
rare.
can have a 1956 Oldsmobile dealer in his very own living room.
That has 7,000 miles on it. We got a full house tonight. Been wet.
No, they're completely
Never
different.
been in the rain, and he's never that's what I have. It's not that.
This is a 4-speed automatic. In fact, they introduced Getaway Hydromatic and 56. Now mine has the previous has a dual range, doesn't have a Getaway.
Wow. Fantastic.
My cousin was a Porter.
Fantastico.
I'm not this young.
Exactly.
Wow. Look at that.
Champagne.
Very nice, sir.
Chamois.
Chris.